Hi friends, in this lecture we will start new chapter. The name of the chapter is Applications of Partial Differential Equations. So in this chapter we will discuss about Introduction to Applications of Partial Differential Equations. So solution of wave equation, solution of one-dimensional heat equation and solution of Laplace equation. So generally in science and engineering problems, whenever you are solving the differential equations with some special condition called boundary conditions, so first we will find the complete solution, and by using the help of boundary conditions we are calculating the arbitrary constants. But this method is not applicable in case of partial differential equations. In that case we are using one important and simple technique, that is the operation of variable, and we are solving the partial differential equations. So before that, first of all, what is a partial differential equation? So already we are studied about partial differential equation. So generally a partial differential equation means, so generally differential equation is what? An equation which involves derivatives is known as a differential equation. In case of partial differential equation, so the differential equation contains two or more independent variables, so then it is called a partial differential equation. So suppose if we consider z is any function of x and y, if we are differentiating this z with respect to x, we are using this notation, so that is partial derivative of z with respect to x. So sometimes we are using this notation as also, that means dou z by dou x equal to zx. Suppose ut means if we are differentiating u with respect to t partially. So similarly uxt means we are differentiating with t and x partially, that is dou square u by dou x dou t. Suppose if you written uxx, that means if you are differentiating u with respect to x partially twice, that is dou square u by dou x square. Now the classification of partial differential equations. So based on the second order partial differential equation we are classifying. So before that, what is the general form of second order partial differential equation? So this is the second order linear partial differential equation. So depend on that a, b, c, so we are classified into three types. So if b square minus 4ac, actually it is called discriminant. So in case of quadratic equation, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, so it is hyperbolic. So example of this is wave equation. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, it is parabolic. So example of this is heat equation. And b square minus 4ac is less than 0, elliptic. Example is Laplace equation. So based on this ABC, so if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, so it is hyperbolic. So equal to 0, parabolic, less than 0, elliptic. So now, so what is the general form of wave equation? So utt equal to c square into uxx. So that is dou square u by dou t square equal to c square into dou square u by dou x square. Now one dimensional heat equation, ut equal to c square into uxx. So that is dou u by dou t equal to c square into dou square u by dou x square. And two dimensional heat equation or Laplace equation, that is uxx plus uyy equal to 0, or dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0, or you can write down that del square of u equal to 0. So instead of 0, suppose it is some function of x, you can say that it is a Poisson equation. So these are the three methods we are solving in this chapter: wave equation, solution of wave equation, and how to solve the problems based on this wave equation. Similarly for one dimensional heat equation and Laplace equation. Now see one example. So this is the homogeneous second order partial differential equation, linear partial differential equation. So how to classify this is either it is a parabolic or hyperbolic or elliptic. So based on that, b square minus 4ac is either it is greater than 0 or less than 0 or equal to 0. So find b square minus 4ac. So b square, so b is 4, a is 2 and c is 3. So this value is minus 8 is less than 0. So if it is less than 0, it is elliptic. So again in this problem, so a is 1, b is 4 and c is 3. So find b square minus 4ac, so which is greater than 0, therefore it is hyperbolic. Like that you can classify the given partial differential equation of order 2. So in next lecture we will solve how to find the solution of wave equation. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe.